How to log out from your Suno AI account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Suno AI account. In order to log out from an account, first of all ensure that you are already logged into your account. Open your Suno AI application on your mobile device, and once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. And once you reach to this page, here you'll need to find the profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on this icon, and then you will be taken to your profile page. In this profile page, here you'll be able to locate settings or the gear icon at the top right. Go ahead and tap on this settings icon, and then you will be presented with some options. Here you'll be able to locate the logout option. Tap on this logout option, and then you will see you have been successfully logged out from your Suno AI account on mobile device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.